See, 2013, he does not disclose the fact that his wife owns 3 acres and 16 guntas in survey number 464 of Kesare village in Kasba Obli, Mysore Taluk. Now, why I filed this is it just a case of I didn't know? No, he knows about it. Because the poor Dalit family which originally owned that land, the land gets notified for the formation of Devanur Badavane, the layout in Mysore. After the notification for acquisition, it gets denotified. That poor Dalit family, you think they are that very powerful to get it denotified? They get it denotified on 18/5/1998. Okay? These people have already schemed that they will buy that land. There were 2 lands which were notified. Only this portion was denotified. And what was Mr. Siddaramaiah at that time? He was the Deputy Chief Minister, 1980. Then the property gets registered into the name of his brother-in-law. That is on 25/8/2004. What is the position of Mr. Siddaramaiah at that time? DCM. Now, you think Mr. Siddaramaiah doesn't know this is happening? He is innocent? Let's come to his wife. Okay, I agree. He is such an honest guy. He is a nice guy. He has not interfered into the denotification. He has not used his influence. It happened naturally. Out of sympathy for the Dalit family, poor Dalit family, they denotified it. And without his knowledge, his brother-in-law purchased it. But on 16/10/2010, when the property was registered, the gift deed was registered in his wife's name. Is that also without his knowledge? If he says it is without his knowledge that this registration has taken place, that is why he missed out in 2013 to include it in his nomination paper affidavit. I will accept. But then I'll ask him a question. You have been the DCM for 2 terms. 2 terms you have been the leader of opposition. 2 terms you are, this is the second term of your chief ministership. If you do not know this much in your family, what will you know in this state?
How is that a violation in the affidavit, sir? Because he has not mentioned how it is going to face the legal.
It is an affidavit. You are supposed to declare. Okay? There is a format. You are supposed to declare. What are you supposed to declare? I am supposed to declare whatever is true, according to my knowledge. Your act of swearing itself, if you do not divulge the whole thing, then you are committing a fraud, I would say, and it's an illegality which is punishable under law. Now, what happens is, 2013, see, this is a document when you file an election nomination paper, it goes onto the web and everybody sees it. But there's another document which he files for his returns to the Lokayukta for the year ending 2013, March 31st. He refers to this thing. He mentions this land.
Sir, what is the response that you got from the Election Commission? You filed the complaint.
They will look into it. Now, they cannot say it is. No, I think you have read it. Anybody who reads my complaint will know it is self-explanatory. They don't have to go look for judgments or citations and all that. I included everything. Their authority, I have told them what your authority is, what the Chief Election Commission has said. I have said what the Supreme Court has said. So nothing to worry. It should move on. Otherwise, I've already told them that I will go for my PCR.